Hello, it's Sonia here, Nutritional Therapist. Now, I work with various clients on a one-to-one basis to support their health through nutrition. So clients come to me with a variety of symptoms that may have just got worse over a period of time. So we work together to identify the root cause and then set up a nutritional plan to support that. So as part of that, they may have hidden food intolerances, which is quite common with 1 in 3 people. It can often cause unexplained weight gain plus a whole host of other symptoms. So if you are one of these people, you need to be finding out which foods you are intolerant to and then desensitize yourself to these foods, and then gradually between 3 and 6 months later you can then reintroduce them. Food intolerances can also be responsible for many symptoms, especially digestive problems. So you may be experiencing some bloating or constipation, diarrhea or abdominal cramps, and they are almost always accompanied by mental and physical symptoms as well. So you may have some mood changes, chronic fatigue, appetite changes, also lack of concentration, and it could also manifest in other symptoms with minor ailments such as itching and rashes. Maybe your asthma has been triggered again, or even sinus problems. These can all be an indication of potential food intolerances. The most common food intolerances can be found from cow's milk, eggs, gliadin, grains, wheat, soya, gluten and yeast. Now, I've created a short questionnaire on my blog which you're able to go to and just download. It just discusses different symptoms that you may be experiencing, along with certain testing that you can ask for. So hopefully that's of use to you. Just go to the website and you can download that. So that's it for today. I hope you found this useful. If you're wanting some personalised one-to-one support to help you in your health and nutrition goals, then please just come back to me and ask. I do offer initial 15-minute free consultation on Zoom where we can just discuss your goals and also talk about initial steps that you can make. Okay, I look forward to speaking to you soon, and take care. Bye-bye.